Man, KEX is a lifesaver. If they didn't have the 1 hour delay, I would have completely missed Oregon because I slept through my 12:05 a.m. alarm.
Test of the emergency alert system. If this had been an actual emergency in the San Diego area, official messages would have followed the alert tones. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. San Diego Station for local news.
All in 1 year, the test that started it all, or at least the one that made me get more serious with my EAS catching. Back to Santa Barbara. Somehow wasn't sent yet, apparently.
This is the coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system. The equipment that can warn you of a life-threatening emergency is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency or a life-threatening condition, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.